Yo, what is up you guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in today's video we are going to be replacing the door handle on my truck because as you guys can tell it is broken. When I go to unlock it, it just pulls everything up and I'm afraid it's going to break my only key. So to avoid any further damage, I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. So over here under the hood, that's providing shade that is absolutely covered in dust. And no, this is not dust, this is actually sand. Look at this. That's sand. It's all over my truck, my mom's car. The people that do the landscaping, they blew a bunch of sand and dirt all over everybody's vehicle here on this side. Absolutely pathetic, but they're getting ready to get fired. I already talked to the manager about it. She said that they're looking for new people. So if anybody does any type of landscaping and you need a job, like a group of you guys, hey, hit me up. I'll give you guys details. But this is an exterior door handle for front left. So yeah, this is the driver door handle. I had to make sure real quick. Thought I grabbed the wrong one. I forgot to read this bottom part. Anyway, I actually got this from Pet Boys. Of all places, Pet Boys. I didn't even know that they were still in service, dude. Hopefully they never go out of business. Alright, so I went to the junkyard like 2 or 3 times trying to get a damn door handle. I forgot my tools each time. It's only just a 10mm bolt. So you just need to bring a socket and a ratchet, that's it. But I kept forgetting it. When I got there, I found out that it was $13. I called another junkyard, they wanted $31. You know how much I paid for this? I paid $9 for this, plus tax. $9 for this damn door handle. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over this real quick. So right here, we have a scratch. There's paint missing, not really too worried about that. If I would have paid $31 for this, I would be upset about that, but I only paid $9 plus tax, so it's all good. So let's go over, it's got a gasket right here, which seems pretty loose, but I'm pretty sure it's just supposed to be like that. Now the housing itself, it seems like it's plastic, but I'm not 100% sure. So go ahead and grab something that's metal and tap on it. That's definitely plastic. This is metal though. So we got a metal door handle and this is plastic. Now the only bad thing about that is my door handle that I got on the truck now is all metal, and with this being plastic, I feel like it better hold up. That's the only thing I gotta say. It better not break. But if it does, then I'll just take it back and exchange it out for a new one. So let's go ahead and install it. First thing you want to do is come over, open up your door. Now I'm not 100% sure if you need to remove your door panel or not. If you do, then you just need to pop this up, unplug all the clips. Pop this out, and then there's a series of clips that hold your door panel in. Just pop them all out, pick it up, and then just feed the wires through, take it off, lay it aside. But let's go ahead and take this bolt out right here. It's literally just, it's a tiny bolt. There we go. Yeah, this bolt is like really tiny. It's only long enough to thread into the door handle, and that's it. See? Now don't lose this because the new one does not come with a bolt. Okay boys, so it turns out you actually do have to remove your door handle. There's this armor plated steel bulletproof plate that you have to remove. There's a series of 7mm bolts and a bunch of screws. I have screws in mine because the bolts were taken out and not replaced. You just drop this down. Be careful because this is your window regulator motor and it will pull your window down as well. And then you have a 10mm bolt right here. Take that out, and then you should just be able to maneuver this thing out somehow. Try not to scratch the paint because that's probably going to happen. It's like a little clip that comes down here. I think you gotta pop the top of it out first, and then get the bottom one out. So, dang dude, why is that so dumb? There's nothing else holding it on. So stupid. Alright, so because my door handle was broke right here, this little piece right here, it was actually sandwiched up like that on the inside, so I just had to twist and pull it out. You will have a rod right here. Hopefully mine did not get bent. There's actually 2 rods. So one's for the lock mechanism and the other 2 is for the one is for pulling the door handle and popping the door open. So make sure you do not lose either of those. Make sure you put them in the correct way that they are disassembled. So it looks like the bottom one just pops into the lock and the top one just pops in right here. So get those popped out. So I'm just going to do this right here. Pop this out of there, just like so, and then do the same for the bottom one. Okay, so there's actually two locking tabs that slide over this, and then you push this piece in, but it didn't reveal itself until it was already too late. So instead of unclipping them and pulling the rods off like you're supposed to, I just went ahead and did the right thing and snapped them off, because that's what you do on bigger jobs like this. So got these little retainer clips. You just slide this up out of the way, and it basically just clamps this on and locks it in place. I don't know if the new one comes with it. Hopefully they do. Hopefully it comes with a better system. So yeah, let me go ahead and get these off and get the new door handle put in. Alright, so now what you want to do is go ahead and grab your new door handle, make sure that it's going to fit. Alright, it's going to fit, so we're going to go ahead and okay, so at least it comes with the new clips, the retainer pieces, but looks like I forgot to take the lock off of this, and I hope I don't have to reuse this piece. It looks like I'm gonna have to. So there's a retainer clip holding this on, and I guess you just pop it out. I'm gonna have to bend this back straight and then pop it in a new one, and yeah, but probably going to clean that lock up a little bit just because it's decolored. And alright, so I'm not going to show you guys how to install it because it is very time consuming. I didn't think it was going to be like this, but when you're doing it, oops, something fell. When you're trying to do this, what you want to do is what the heck fell then? We'll find it in the bottom. But when you do this, you got to make sure that the lock is pulled out, and then you just want to go like this. Make sure that that's pulled in there, and then you just bring it up. I gotta show you guys without breaking anything. Yeah, you just maneuver it in here, and then you just pull it up just like that, sort of. You gotta be gentle with it because it's plastic, metal type, whatever, it'll break. I'll get stuck. Yeah. Alright. The lock got pushed back a little bit, but it's all good. There we go, mates. And that is how you do it. So my lock button disappeared, but still works. That's actually how I lock myself out. But yeah, once I find it, I'll pop it back into place. And yeah, look at this. Dang gummit, dude. Oh yeah. Now I'm not gonna be able to unlock my door because the lock went all the way in there, dude. Like it went all the way down up in there. I was able to get my door open because the door wasn't locked. So yeah, there we go. Opens up so much smoother. I mean, it didn't really open up all that bad before, but now I gotta pull the door panel off again and reset the lock mechanism. I don't know why it's sliding out. That sucks. Dude, I literally had to pound the crap out of this up against the concrete, hit it with a hammer just to get the freaking thing to come out of this. And now it doesn't want to. It keeps coming out of the new one. So sus, bro. But anyway, that is how you replace the door handle. Now, if this were a shop, I would charge 3 easy payments of $19.99. So that's $60. Yeah, because it took me almost an hour to get that done because I had to deal with so much crap. But yeah, you gotta take the door panel off, you gotta take the bulletproof plate off, The window's gonna slide down. You got two 10mm bolts to take out. You gotta fondle with getting it out. Then you gotta fondle with putting it back in as long. Anyway, that is all that I have for this video. If you guys did like it, be sure to leave a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
If you're not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I want you to share this video. Jesus said, go preach the gospel to all creation. Souls are going to go to hell if we don't spread the gospel. You sharing this video can literally get the gospel to somebody and save their soul from eternal damnation. The Bible says that if you believe in your heart and confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord, you will be saved. So right now, I offer to you the free gift of salvation. Believe in your heart and pray this prayer out loud right now with me if you want salvation. Say, dear Lord Jesus, please forgive me for my sins. I believe that you died for me on the cross and rose from the dead 3 days later. If you prayed that prayer, comment saved. Use this sound. Make your own video. Make the gospel go viral.